Tanggilas yung mga birds. Train din nila, ano?
See, if our lovebirds can do it, we believe that so can everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope we quarter show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's all work hard in saving the world because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now let me present to you the birds and the singers who made this show possible. Trainer Villa with Body, Trainer Regine with Rocky, Trainer JB with Shadow, Trainer Sean with Hope. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain in your seat because so